The mailman brought me some treats from Leaf and Clay. I'm gonna open them, so join me.
Liquid Amber Girl Gardening.
Here we go. I'm excited to show you these. They are so pretty. And this is something I haven't seen on other websites before. Because a lot of times you can find the same plants from company to company, but this is one that I've only seen on Leaf and Clay. And hold on. Sedum orange. Aren't they beautiful? Whoop. So pretty. Look at the markings on that leaf. Beautiful. Oh! This is not something I ordered, but they were doing a special and you get this really cute little crassula watch chain, which you can see why it's called that if you look at it up close. Aren't they sweet? Wow, that's a real handful too. And I got this for free just because they were running a special on the day that I ordered the sedum orange. So this last package should be another one of those. I got them all the same because I want to plant them all in this, which I'm excited to show you as well. There are the last two. So pretty. Okay, now for the planter. Leaf and Clay has started doing something a little bit different with their planters. If you haven't bought from them before, or even if you have, they have available to US customers only, unfortunately, but you can buy the pot, the planter, plus soil, plus a top dress. It's a real pretty either white stones or like a really dark gray, which I love those ones. And you get a plant as well. And did I say soil? You get soil too. So you get the whole thing all in one package. Now though, they've made it so that if you choose to not get the soil and the extras, you can just get the pot. Isn't that beautiful? It's called Chocolate Chip. I love these pots. And won't these be pretty in them? A whole bunch of those sedum orange all planted together inside of this pot. And I have a drip pan too. He's in the bottom here. There he is. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna get this stuff planted up and I'm gonna show you the finished product. Here she is. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the colors on these gorgeous sedums. I can't get over how pretty they are. The plants are beautiful. The pot is so pretty. It's called Chocolate Chip Pot, and I love leaf and clay pots. I'm obsessed with them, really, and I have quite a few now. Every time I have a little bit of extra spending money, that's what I usually get, is another pot from Leaf and Clay. I love it because it supports artisans in really poor countries. I think these are made in Indonesia, and so Leaf and Clay is trying to, you know, support those economies that, and those artisans that have that special talent. So it's helping someone, and you get something so beautiful. If you've been put off in the past by the price of these pots, then I would urge you to take another look, because as I was telling you before, you can now buy them without the soil and the top dress, and that made them quite a bit cheaper. So if you choose that option when you go in and actually buy your pot, I think you'll find them to be a lot more affordable and still absolutely just as pretty. So now I'm going to have to find the perfect window in my house for this little baby. I'm loving it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. We just had 10 or 15 minutes of rain. I was stranded in the middle of the vineyard right there. That's an umbrella I had resting on top of my side-by-side. I literally had to take shelter under there because there was no place else to go. And look, this is water. This is a road up here that runs up to the owners of the vineyard. It's their house. And this is the water running down off of the road and running down in between rows 2 and 3. Isn't that crazy? Listen to the sound of this. I guess that's what you call hashtag Ohio weather.